Hi, I'm Gabriel and you're at the LOOK Content Manager. If you don't mind, I'll borrow a couple of minutes of your time and make it clear for you how you can get started in our service. Well, now you're in the main section where all your screens and groups of screens will subsequently be displayed. On the left, there's a main navigation menu for quick switching between key sections. At the very bottom, you can always ask questions and report an issue in our round-the-clock support chat, or to go to our knowledge base in order to learn each section or function of your CMS in details. At the top of the interface, you can view many company settings, statistics, tariff plans, and access manager. In the right sidebar, detailed settings and tips are displayed depending on the item or section you have selected. The main thing that we recommend to start with is to add your first screen, and for that purpose you need to choose the player according to your operating system of your device. You can find the links to the available options on the home screen right below this video. If you don't forget to connect your device to the internet after installing and launching the LOOK app or turning on the LOOK HDMI player, you will see a 6-digit code right on your screen. You need to enter it in the appropriate field of the modal window, which will open after clicking on the Add Screen button. That's it. Your first screen has been added, and now you can send your first content to it. It can be either simple videos, audios, images, as well as smart applications, web pages, online feeds. Moreover, you can even create a complex layout in the corresponding section, combining different content types according to your needs and vision. Let's upload some files and make a playlist from them. To do it, we go to the content section, click on the Add Content button, and drag the required files to the download window. Just a few seconds and the content has been added. Now let's go to the playlist section and create our first one. Just name it by clicking on the plus button and find and drag the necessary content items from the right sidebar to our playlist. We can change the sequence or playback time of one or another item and finally send the completed playlist to our first screen. Well, the content will start to play on our screen almost immediately. So let's click on the screen itself and look what we have inside. Here we can see the content items which are already uploaded and now playing along with those that are still in the uploading process. Also, here we can set up a schedule, change settings, or apply a layout. Well, that's all about it, and this is all about the first key actions within the LOOK CMS. I hope this video has become a useful tool at this stage of your first getting acquainted with our product, and I wish you to get only positive experience during your absolutely free 14 days trial. All the best. Bye.